Did you know you can create animation without JavaScript? Just with a few lines of CSS. Let's start with a simple red square. We give it a width, height and background color. Then we add an animation called spin. In the keyframes, we tell browser rotate the square from 0 to 360 degrees. Save. Next, let's animate a snowflake. We use a text emoji and make it big with font size. The animation called fall, move it down with the translate Y. When it reaches the end, the animation starts again. It looks like endless snowfall. And finally, the pulsing heart. We set the font size and tell the heart to scale up and down. In the keyframes, it grows bigger at 50% of the animation and returns to normal at the start and end. This makes the heart beat just like in real life. All three animations use less than 5 lines of CSS each. Simple, short and fun. Subscribe for more beginner-friendly coding tips.